Hmm. Because some people are also, sometimes people are confused. We have people who are confused a little bit and they are asking themselves, you people, now you are talking about Aura. The other time you are talking about Oracle. Are these two different things? Have you started a new project? Have you gone to a new company? I want us to take this information. Take this information from me. Take this information from me. We are not introducing a new company. And we are not introducing something new, but we are under the same umbrella. The same umbrella we are under is Oracle. The same umbrella that we are under is Oracle. Oracle is the big umbrella that we are going to base all the other projects. Oracle is the main tree that we are into. And that main tree is going to have a lot of branches. Now, each and everything you see us introducing is one of the branches of this tree. So Oracle is an ecosystem. It is a very big organization. It is a very big community. And in that community, me and you, we are family members there. In other words, Oracle is the big family. It's the big family, and the big family, it is going to have different small homes. It is a homestead. Let me say, Oracle is the homestead that we joined. It is the homestead that we became a part of. And under the homestead, we shall be having small houses. And those small houses, they are the projects that we are introducing one by one. This Oracle is a DAO. It is a DAO in this era of internet, Web3 internet. You are going to hear a lot of things which are coming, and they are talking about decentralization. They are talking about decentralization. Now, Oracle is a decentralized autonomous organization. It is a decentralized autonomous organization. Any organization can have as many things as possible within it. Now, Oracle is a DAO we are subscribing to with very many branches, and the branches, they are the projects. The first project which they introduced, or in the beginning, when this Oracle started, they started with the OHM. That was their first project that they brought on market, and it is a success. It succeeded, by the way. OHM, it is a successful project. I saw it at some point, it went up and down, and then it faced a lot of challenges, the up and down, tokens, currencies move up and down. But now, as we are speaking, it is at 132. Each OHM costs 132. At some point, it was at $30, and everyone was laughing at each and everyone who staked into it. Because this Oracle, many of the projects are about to staking, and then we shall see other projects that will come. This one, people staked. Now imagine someone who staked OHM when it was at $30, and now it is at $132. Someone is rich already. So that one was a success. That was a successful project. The other project they unleashed this year, that is the ONF. And when we look at ONF, it is the Oracle Network Finance. Or sometimes people say Oracle Finance Network. Remember the word network. It is a network. It is a network. A network is not something which consists of one thing. It is a network. A network is something which is connecting here and there and there and there and there. In other words, it is a combination of a lot of things. Now, ONF, we have been staking ONF. ONF went on market in June. And then in August, we got to know about it. And then we started and we staked. And we are still staking. And we are still going. And it is still performing. By the time we end this training, I will have showed you why all are equally important. You who is listening to me, as you are staking in Aura, even ONF, don't throw it away. I've started seeing people thinking that ONF, I think that is a forgotten project. I think we should leave it. I think I shouldn't focus on it. I think. My dear, ONF is going to be the entry token for all the projects that Oracle is going to bring on market. ONF is going to be the main currency. By the way, for now it is still a token, but soon it will become a currency. It will become a currency. I want to explain the difference between a currency and a token. A currency is that asset or that digital asset that whereby it has its own blockchain and network. While a token, it is that currency where it is still leaning on other blockchains. The way you are seeing now, ONF and Aura, they are still being they are leaning on the Binance Smart Chain. That's why we call them tokens. Ladies and gentlemen, are you still on there? Are you following what I am saying? Are you following so that I can go on? If you're following, put for me a 1 in the chat. Put for me a 1 in the chat. Put for me a 1 in the chat. I am glad to see Leader Annelyn. Leader Annelyn, Leader Annelyn, Leader Annelyn. Happy to see you on this call. Abekal, Angel, Charlie, Crypto Boss. Who else? Digital Investor. Ibrahim Yusufu, Twakire, Ismail, James Kabugo. Who else? I'm seeing Calvin Mande, Calvin FX Mande. Who else? Who else? Oppose. Quantico. What a beautiful name. And everyone, Vera, see you. Happy to see you. And everyone who is on this Zoom call, happy to see you. If you are following me, let us continue. Let us continue. Let us continue. Let us continue. I want to let you know, friends, that don't joke with any of the projects that Aura are going to bring onto the market. Don't joke, don't overlook any of the products of the projects that Oracle is going to bring to the market. I always tell you that this organization, this DAO has over 30 different projects that it wants to bring on market. OHM, successful. ONF is on market. Now we have also Aura. Now let us first start with OHM. I mean with the ONF. ONF, when you stake ONF, you are going to get ONF. It is still in the minting process. That project is legit. For those ones who have been here for some time, we showed how legit it is. The way you check Aura, how the legitimacy of Aura, it is the same way you can check the legitimacy of ONF. It is the same. You use the same criteria and you get the best scheme, you get the right information, quantifying its legitimacy. Okay. Now, should I put more emphasis on ONF or I put more focus, or I be focused too much on Aura? Though that is the question that I want to address today. Ladies and gentlemen, all of them are equally important. Why? All of them are projects which are, someone is saying OHM is Olympus. Yes, please. It's okay. Okay, let us focus on ONF. Let us focus because I said I want us to look at ONF and Aura. Can I invest much in ONF or I invest much in Aura? Let me also ask you, for those ones who are here, where should we put much emphasis? Should we put much of our energy in ONF or in Aura? I want your answers before I give you mine. I said I want this session to be interactive. We are going to be interacting. Me, I will be talking, and then for you, you are going to be interacting through the chat. Can we put more energy on ONF or we put more energy in Aura? All of them are projects for Oracle. I want to see. Someone is saying, thank you so much, Hiranjan, for that correction. Someone is saying balance. John Bosco says we should balance. Thank you so much. You know, I'm a teacher by profession, and in teaching, any answer from any adult is right. All answers given by any adult, all of them are right. Thank you so much, John Bosco. You are very, very right. Hiranjan says, what's the difference? Good. We are going to answer that. Madam Leader Annelyn says, both. Another one. Matovu says 70% ONF, which means the 30% ORA. Another one before we go in. Before we go further. ONF for long term and ORA for short term earnings. Thank you so much. Another one, both, I think. Another one. I want 2 more answers, 2 more responses, 2 more reactions, and then we continue. 2 more submissions, and we continue. And then we look at what should we do? Should we put much of our energy on ONF or in ORA? More 2, and we go. More 2, and we go. Okay, as we wait for the more 2, another one said, I requested to know the difference for both. In fact, I saw that. Even Dias asked, what is the difference? I am going to respond. One more. Disappointed in ONF. Oh my God. You don't know what it is. By the end of this session, you will have understood that you shouldn't be disappointed. This one, I am extremely pleased with your vast knowledge of the Oracle DAO, as well as the accompanying detailed explanations you have been making since yesterday. That's got the opportunity moment to join your Zoom lectures. Please keep the ball running. Thanks so much for giving us your precious time despite your tight schedules as a professional teacher. Thank you so much, Ibrahim. Now, let us start with the difference. What is the difference between ONF and ORA? What is the difference? First and foremost, all of them are tokens. That is a similarity. All of them are tokens which were built on a smart contract on a Binance Smart Chain. All of them are on the Binance Smart Chain. When you look at their contract addresses, they are all Binance. They are all on Binance Smart Chain. That's where they are. But maybe at some point when Oracle comes up with its own blockchain, then ONF will become a currency. And I am telling you this, it is soon going to become a currency because Oracle is still in the process of building their own blockchain. And what is going to come first? Their exchanger is coming in either late January or early February. So we shall have that. Then ORA is a liquidity pool token. If you are to get ORA right now as we are staking it, if you are to get it, the only thing you have to do is to bring in your money, and you bring in USDT. And when you bring in USDT and you place it on your token pocket, because the smart contract was written that every time the USDT is brought to a certain token pocket and someone has staked the USDT in the ORA system, automatically the USDT you have brought is going to buy ORA. It is going to buy ORA. The moment you bring your USDT, automatically, remember I told you we are dealing with the smart contracts in the DeFi here, in the decentralized part of the industry where we are right now. It is straight away going to buy ORA. And when it buys ORA, ORA is now a tradable token. It is trading, it is moving, it is live. And it is going up. And because every day people are bringing in liquidity, it has kept on moving upwards and upwards and upwards and upwards ever since it was launched on the 17th of November, 2025. Okay, and then people are going to ask that when my USDT buys ORA, and what if the ORA goes down? What if the aura goes down? We are not expecting that to happen very soon, though it can happen. For now, we are seeing only retracements. Of course, in a normal way, the normal way a currency should be moving, it has to have those ups and downs, the ups and downs, the ups and downs. That's the nature of the markets that we are dealing with is made of. You will never and never see a token just rising and rising and rising and rising and rising. Why? Because in the process, there are two actions that take place. There is the buying and there is the selling. There is the buying and there is the selling. There is the buying, there is the selling. When it is time for buying, the rising comes. And when it is time for selling, the dropping comes. That one is normal. That one is normal. Now, for you, when you come in and you bring your USDT to buy Aura, and that your USDT is used to buy Aura, for you are just going to wait for your 1%. You are going to wait for your 1% every day. That every time, even if you are claiming your profits, as soon as you click I am claiming, then the smart contract sells a part of Aura that makes what you are withdrawing, and they give you the USDT. Okay, so someone was asking, won't Aura go down the way ONF did? We don't expect it to go as much down as ONF. Why? Because this one is a liquidity pool. Every time we are bringing in USDT, we are bringing in USDT, we are bringing in USDT, you are bringing in USDT, we are bringing in USDT. But again, Aura, its market cap, its amount, it is limited. It is 21 million. When we look at ONF, they made 100 million because its market cap is too high, and also because this one is being minted every day, new tokens come to the market. Okay, with ONF, every day new tokens come to the market, which means its supply, it keeps on increasing every now and then, while in Aura we have only 21 million. I'm looking at Aura being the next BTC because even BTC is 21 million. Have you got now the difference right now? But I am also going to show you how important ONF is also, because the money you use to buy ONF, and because every day you are earning more ONF, your number of tokens are increasing every now and then. Unlike when you are staking in Aura, the USDTs that you put, you earn only 1%, and it is in USDT. The USDT is a stable coin. It is a 1-to-1. While someone who is staking ONF, right now it is at 3.3, but at some point it will be $10. Meaning someone who is having one ONF will be having $10, yet you is having one USDT, you'll be having $1. Are you seeing the difference now? Friends, are you seeing the difference? Are you getting the difference? To me, these ones are equally important. Aura price is 0. No, my dear, no, it's not. It's not. It is at 1 point. Let me show you. Let us go to Aura. Let us go to Aura. Hiranjan, let's go to Aura. I've gone to my token pocket. I've gone to my token pocket. Maybe you are checking a wrong Aura. You are checking maybe a wrong Aura. On my token pocket, I have Aura here. I have Aura here. I have my Aura here. I am going to check, and we see it is not at 0.2. It is at 1.090. Ranjan, have you seen? Respond to me. Have you seen, my dear? Dear one, have you seen? Have you seen? Have you seen? Is there anything as disappointment in Oracle all? You people, I'm going to read I'm going to read, but I was just showing Hiranjan. Let us first see. This is Aura. This is the Aura we are talking about. Or maybe let us first check it from the coin market cap so that people can get to understand what Aura we are talking about. Which Aura we are talking about. Which Aura that we are talking about. Aura. When you go to the coins market cap, the Auras are so many. We have Aura. We have Aura the one that we are looking at, the one we are talking about, that the one which belongs to Oracle, it is this one, Aura Omniverse Refi, not Oracle, not that one. And this one is untracked. Okay, this one is untracked. So we are talking about this one, the Omniverse Refi. This is it here. This is it here. And if you want to get its contract address, to get its information about it, it is here. We can see. I'm going to get the contract address. Total supply 21 million. Fully diluted. We can see all-time low. It is here. All-time high 1.142. It went to this 2 days ago. When was it? When was it put on market? When was it? When did it come to market? When? Around there, they are like around 43 days since it was brought on market. Its market, its contract address. You come to about, and then you come to a contract address, contracts. Omniverse Refi contracts. It is here, and we can see it is seated on the Binance Smart Chain. We can see it is seated on the Binance Smart Chain. That one answers the question people ask. You people, we are going to put our money in Aura. What if Aura disappears with our money? My dear, your money, my money is not in Aura. My money is on the Binance Smart Chain, on my wallet address, which is in the token pocket. And let me tell you, even if you are using Trust Wallet, you can put Aura there. If you are using MetaMask, you can put Aura there, okay? Because when you go to Trust Wallet, you can see it is here, Trust Wallet, and then MetaMask. You can also put your Aura system there. I think I have answered that. I have answered that. The price is not 0 point something. It is $1. It is $1. Before I continue, are we together with what I have talked about? Before I go to another thing, Ibrahim, I read yours. Samuel says, ONF is for long-term. Aura provides us with daily money. In fact, let me show you. Let me talk about that. When you are staking in ONF, the first thing you have to do is think long-term. Anyone who will come to stake ONF and you are thinking 2 months, 3 months, you will be disappointed. In fact, you will be more than disappointed. Why? This ONF is relatively a new token. And if there is no way how a new token can come to the market and it keeps on going up and up and up and up and up and up. In fact, for me, when it was at even $70 and it was there, it was at $70, it went up to 70. I was worried. I was like, oh my God, a new token to be this way without dropping. I was so worried. To me, because I know it, a token as it comes, as it shoots up, it has to first trace down back in order to gather momentum. For me, I was asking friends that you people, are we with the right project? Why is this thing not dropping? Why is it not behaving like how others behave? We saw we have seen it, all currencies doing the same thing. We saw how Solana behaved, and then at some point it was at high, and then it went down to 0 point something, and then it went up, and then it came back to $6, and then now where it is far. Bitcoin has done the same. Other coins, the BNB, all other coins have done the same. They go up and come down to gather momentum, then they shoot up. So I was like, why is ONF not doing it? When it started dropping, I was like, okay, the moment it drops up to $4, I'll just know that we are in the right project. And it did it. It did it. So I am thinking long term. When you are staking ONF, think of staking it a year and above. The tokens that you have bought today, every day they are going to be increasing by the end of the year. Even if you end a year of staking and it is at $2, my dear, you will be in profits. You will be in profits if you stake ONF for a year. Even if it will be at $2, you will be in profits. You'll be profitable. But again, Oracle is so wise. They thought it that if someone is waiting for ONF, it is a long-term investment. But these people are having daily expenses. People are having daily needs to meet. Then they brought Aura, where you are staking USDT, a stable coin. Provide liquidity in order to support this Aura grow its a pool. And then what are you going to do? Because this one, we are having this long term, as we are focusing on this long term, let us have this one, which is for short term. Why? When you are staking in the Aura, it is 1 day, 7 days, 15 days, and 1 month. Those are 30 days. Finished. You stake for 30 days, that staking is expired. That stake is expired. You can restake if you want. You can even get your landlord's money, which you are to pay for next month, and then you put it in today. You put it in today. By the day next month, on the 23rd, the day you are supposed to pay rent, you have made a 34%. 35. You have made a 34% out of your landlord's money, then pay the landlord his money, remain with your $34. Stake it again. Build your capital again. Do your daily expenses. Because when you are earning this 1%, and I tell you people, stake for 30 days. Don't stake for 1 day. Don't stake for 1 day. If you can be patient to work for 30 days when your boss is not paying you and he pays you on the 30th day, why in your own business you want to stake on Monday and then on Tuesday you want to withdraw the money? You have staked on Monday and on Tuesday after 24 hours, you have made $5. You want to withdraw it there and then. Why don't you be patient for 30 days and then it compounds instead of earning 30% and you earn 34.7%? You people, we have been too patient. Maybe it is because I am a teacher. I've worked for a salary. We be patient for 30 days. That's when you earn and then you go and spend. And now in our own businesses, we are so impatient that I want whichever comes. Da, I withdraw. Pa, I withdraw. Choo, I withdraw. That is stake for 30 days. Stake for 30 days. Earn the 34%. Do those short-term spendings. Do the short-term spendings while you are having your long-term project. That is ONF. That is ONF. Don't be in a hurry to withdraw. Your money is your money. Good enough, you are in full control of it, by the way. It is on your token pocket. It is not going anywhere. No one is going to touch. Neither Oracle can touch your money. No Oracle can touch your money. Why? It is on your Binance Smart Chain wallet address, which is in your token pocket. Relax. Friends, relax. Let your money grow. See your money growing. Impatient people will never become wealthy. There are people who say, these online things for me. What I earn, I withdraw it immediately. You don't know what will happen tomorrow. Oh my God. You think that the Binance Smart Chain has waited for you to earn your $5 and then it closes. For all the years the Binance Smart Chain has been there. Now it is waiting for your $10 and then it closes with it. Do you know how much money people have put onto this blockchain, the Binance Smart Chain? How much money? Billions and billions of dollars. Now they are waiting for your $20 in order for them to close. No. Invest with a calm heart. Don't be disappointed so fast. Those ones who staked ONF, you staked and then you even chose 360 days. You have moved just 4 months, 3 months, and you are saying, I am very disappointed. I am very disappointed in ONF. But you staked for a full year. Only 3 months and you are disappointed. For example, if you had planted a certain tree, you planted a cocoa tree in the garden. and they told you this cocoa tree will start fruiting after 3 years. Now it has moved 6 months, and you are saying, this cocoa, I think it is not a good project that I chose. I am indeed disappointed. But you were told at 3 years, that's when it will start fruiting. Why are you panicking? Why? Why are you panicking? Stay calm. The project is very beautiful. The project is very earning. The project is very promising. The project has a lot of your money. Do you know why? Very many people have not yet understood what DeFi is. Very many people are still stuck in trading. Very many people are still stuck in holding. But DeFi, there is money. There is money in staking, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, there is money in staking where you are earning without too much of your efforts. No sleepless nights looking at the charts. No sleepless, not being on tension all the time. I'm being liquidated. It is going. It is taking me. I put money. What? No. Earn with a peace of mind. Think long term, but we have also the short term investment, and that is the Aura. Are you with me? Are you with me, ladies and gentlemen? Are you following? I said it is going to be interactive. 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 It is ONF is long time. Aura provides us money. This Aura helps us not jumping into selling our ONF. In fact, one of the reasons as to why Aura came in order to help stabilize the price of ONF. And by the way, you are going to start seeing ONF rising and rising and rising and rising soon. You wait for the Oracle Exchanger to come out. For me, I'm thinking that the price as to why it is still darling, it is because they want investors to come and invest in the exchanger to promote their projects on the exchanger. And for you to attract more customers, your prices have to be low. To attract more customers, your prices have to be low. Now, if ONF and those people who are going to bring their projects on the Oracle Exchange, they are going to subscribe using ONF. If ONF is at $100 and there are other exchanges coming with their subscription, which is at low prices, we shall lose customers. Let us be patient with ONF. When the exchanger comes in and projects have been put, they have subscribed, you are going to see how it is going to shoot high. By the way, have you bought your node? Have you bought a node? If you haven't yet bought the Oracle Exchange node, it is high time. Why? Because ONF now is at its lowest. It is at 3.3. In order to buy a node of 67 ONF, you don't need it is less than now $300, and you acquire for yourself a node, and you will keep on earning forever and ever and ever, because for it doesn't have an expiry date. Is there anything as disappointment? No. For me, I haven't seen any disappointment. Wouldn't Aura also decline like NF? No, because we are providing liquidity all the time, and also Aura is not increasing in number. It is 21 million only and only. So it is scarce, by the way. Aura is scarce. The analyst says, you are right, sis. Those are scam coins that rise high and high and high and high. Yes, those ones. Aura price, this one I talked about it. There is another Aura, okay? Powerful revelation, sis. It can be a salary without working. This is literally your money working for you. Good. ONF, Aura, and USDT all can be stacked. Let me explain this. ONF is staked, and I'm going to show you. Let me first start with the ONF. ONF is staked, and then with the Aura, we are not staking Aura. In Aura, we are staking USDT. That USDT is used to buy Aura. So for you, you bring your USDT, you stake your USDT, and you earn 1% every day of your USDT. After a month, you claim. But the 1% you earn can be withdrawn on a daily basis if you want. But it is good keep it there because there is a compounding effect. It will grow. Instead of earning 30%, you'll earn 34.7%. What is a node? What is a node? A node is a share, being a shareholder in the Oracle Exchange. When you buy it, it means you have bought shares. Let me, with the simple way, you have bought shares. You have bought a share. One share, the best one, is at 67 ONF. You buy it. Every time people will be transacting on the Oracle Exchange, the transaction fees they will be charging them, you'll be given a portion. You will be given a portion. So you will be a shareholder in that exchange. What a node gives us some light on it. Of course, now I have explained it shortly. You are a shareholder. As a shareholder is entitled to earn a dividend from all the profits that all the transaction fees that the exchange will be charging from those ones who will be buying and selling, or those ones who will be transacting from that exchange. But it is not for now. The exchange will be out. We are told either late January or early February. But the sale of nodes, it is ending on 31st of December. We still have 8 days. Kindly explain more about Oracle Node. How does it make money? I have explained it shortly. How do we buy nodes and how much is it? I have explained. The best one is 67 ONF. Then intermediate one, you have to pay 300, is it 340, 334 ONFs. And then there is also another, the advanced one. So you can buy a basic one. That money is not going to come back right now. Those ones who those ones who are risk takers, they are the ones who are buying nodes, because the profits or the incomings, the earnings are not going to come so immediately. This one, I promise you, I'm telling you, it is not going to come very so fast. It's not going to become too big very so fast. No, it is also a long-term something. What's the minimum of USDT in order to stake in Aura? Minimum is $100. Minimum is $100. Each stake, 100 minimum, maximum 1,000. If you have 2,000, you will be having two stakes of 1,000, 1,000. Okay. Now, let me go back to giving you the difference. Why you should stake ONF and why you should also stake Aura. We have said ONF, it is for long term. And because for it is a volatile token. Chances of you making more money from there are more. Chances of you using the same amount of investment money and you make more money from ONF, chances are high. Why? Because it is a volatile token. Its movement will be like this. While in Aura, you are staking USDT, your 1%, it doesn't change. It doesn't change. In ONF, what you can earn in a day is between 0.2 and 2% a day. It depends on the block production rate. Because for ONF, it is still mintable. We are still minting it. That's why every day you see you have earned a new token, new ONF tokens, new ONF tokens, new ONF tokens, new ONF tokens. While here in Aura, we are not staking Aura per se. We are staking USDT, a stable currency. Where should we put more emphasis? Both are equally important. Both are equally important. To me, this is what I did. When a new person is coming in and is bringing money, we divide it. We divide it. For me, to me personally, 70% I put it in ONF because it is too cheap right now. Time is going to come when it will be at $40, when it will be at $30. Now imagine those ones who are buying to stake it when it is at $3. How much money will they have made? To me, 70% goes to ONF, and then 30% comes to Aura. That is one scenario. Another scenario, you can say, I have my 1,000. My 1,000 is this. I am staking it in Aura. Every day it is going to be giving me, $10. After 10 days, and it has made for me $105. Your 1,000, if you don't remove it in 10 days, instead of making you $100, it will make you $105 because there is the compound effect. Get this 105, go and buy ONF, stake ONF. After another 10 days, withdraw the $105, go and buy ONF, stake ONF. After a month, $105, go and stake ONF. So in a month, you will have made money from the Aura, the USDT in the Aura system, and then you have also put some money in ONF. To me, that is it. All are very important. People are going to start regretting at some point when ONF has gone back to $10. People say, oh my God, Carl, I wish I bought when it was at $4. Oh, I saw it at $3. Why did I buy? And it has gone. All are equally important. All are equally important. And do you know what? Other projects are coming in. I told you, Oracle has more than 30 projects which they want to bring on the market. Just tighten your seat. Just tighten your seat belt. Tighten your seat belt. Don't go away. Don't panic. Don't be disappointed. Don't be overwhelmed. But sit and relax. And also prepare your mindset because we are going to make a lot of money. Prepare your mindset as early as now because we are going to make a lot of money. There is a lot of money here. Now, for those ones who are networkers, who are building networks, for you, you are going to die of money. You know, you have people who come into business and for them, they don't want to build businesses. It is okay. You have brought in your money is going to work for you. But those ones who go an extra mile and they build networks, you are going to make it double, or triple, or quadruple. Are you with me, friends? Are you with me? Are you with me? Have we got now the answer? Someone is saying node, the node price in USDT. Now just get, now the, you just do this. Just do this. Just do this. Just do this. You are supposed to bring 67 ONF. Time was 3 point. I've seen now the ONF in Aerobank is at 3.5. It means you are going to use 234. Okay, 235. Let us say $235 to buy ONF 67. Put it on your token pocket. Contact your leader, the leader who brought you, your upline, who brought you to the business to guide you on how to pay. He will give you the wallet address where you are supposed to send the ONF, and then you provide your details. He will give you a form. He will give you a form to fill in order for you to be recognized as a subscriber. Okay. Someone says, it's good to participate in both. Very, very good. Very, very good to participate in all. Don't lose any chance. I bought ONF at $11. Oh, that is good. That is good. For me, I bought it at $78. My first stake, it was at $78. And I am not scared at all. I am not scared at all because at least the 4 years I've spent in the crypto space, I've never seen a currency that goes up and up and up and up and up in a straight line. No, I've never. We have seen them go up and then come down, then go up and then come down, and then go up and go up and go up and go up and go up. So do ONF. For me, I am very okay because it is growing naturally. Its movement is normal. It is normal. It is not scary. It is not scaring. Someone is saying which node is good to buy. It depends on your capacity. How heavy is your wallet? How heavy is your wallet? Of course, someone who has bought 1 share, someone who has bought 3 shares. So, or someone, because there are three types of nodes. There is the basic, the intermediate, and the advanced. Just know, as you hear the word, basic is basic, intermediate is intermediate, and advanced is advanced. Advanced is advanced. That one is it is just automatic. Someone who has bought the automatic has bought a better one or a bigger one. Has bought a better one or a bigger one, but all of them are good. All those shareholders will earn. Oracle till I die. In fact, I'm also there until we die. For me, I'm here. I'm not going anywhere. And I bought at 20. Good. I bought at 75. So I mean 78. I bought at 78. I bought at 50. I bought at 45. I bought at 30. I bought at 10. I bought at the other day it went to 2.9. I also bought at 2.9. Just know that for me, I'm already in profits because I have bought at different prices and I staked for 360 days. I am not worried at all because the 360 days I have moved only 4 months. Only 4 months. 6 more months to go. 6 more months to go. A difference between 3 nodes. I think it will be the earnings, the percentages of earning will be the one of basic will be lower. The one for advanced will be higher than the 2. That one is simple. That one is simple. The percentage earnings will be different. I look long term ONF. Yes, ONF is long term. ONF is long term. Ladies and gentlemen, don't sit on this. Don't sit on this on this what? On this project. There is a lot. There is a lot, ladies and gentlemen. There is a lot of money. When you look at the earnings, someone who is with the ONF, that's a team builder who is in ONF. If you are with the ONF, let me show you this. When you are staking ONF and you build a team, when you become M1, you start earning from the team. You start earning also as an M1. Also, in ONF, you can earn from 20 different levels. I'm showing you different differences. When you are staking ONF, when you're staking ONF, you want to earn from your first level, stake $200. You want to earn from your second level, add more 200. Now you should have 400 personal stake. Every level you want to add on, just to increase your personal stake by $200, by $200, by $200, by $200. If you want to earn from all the 20 levels, you must have staked around $4,000 as your personal stake. I told you in Oracle, you cannot earn where you have not put a personal effort. You can't. While in Aura, to become S1, in order to start earning 5% from your entire team, you must have staked $500. Okay? $500 personal stake. To go to S2, you must have 1,000 personal stake. To become S3, you must have personal stake 2,000. The personal stakes to earn from more levels in ONF, it is simpler. It is very simple, just increasing by 200, but this one, at some point, you have to increase by 1,000. Are you seeing the difference? Here, the levels you are earning from, there are so many, even if you don't have a rank. For as long as you have personal stake, you can earn. Here, when you don't have a rank, you can earn only from 2 levels. To earn from other levels, you must rank up. You people, this one, they are all equally important. They are all equally important. Just balance. Just balance your efforts. Just balance your efforts, left and right, left and right, left and right. And by the way, as you are still there, you are still grasping what is ONF, what is in Aura, another project will soon be launched. We shall be informing you soon. Soon. Let us ride with the decentralized finance. Let us run with the smart contracts. Let us embrace Web3 internet, because it is very sweet. Let us earn. Let us earn. I think I should end here. For today. I know very many people have already traveled to their home villages. People are going up country. People are going for vacation, festive season. Can you give the percentage of each? For now, I am not sure. I'm not sure. We have not yet been given those calculations and the percentages. But what you should know, everyone will be earning. Kindly share us that ONF referral structure PDF in the Telegram. ONF referral structure. Okay, I'll share it in the Telegram group and you will see it. I will share it. In case I forget, please remind me. Please remind me if I forget, and then I'll share. Do you belong to any of our WhatsApp groups? Do you belong to any of our WhatsApp groups, Opos? If you do, I'll also share it in the WhatsApp group, the ONF referral structure PDF. I'm going to share it. Thank you so much for listening to me. Unless if someone has a question, please ask me. If someone has a question, please ask me. In case you want to contact me personally, my number is +256 +256 700180588. That is my WhatsApp number. You can contact me. I will always respond, and Oracle Foundation gave me that responsibility to keep helping people. Just in case even you have a downline, maybe you are not around, you are very busy, I can always help out with your team members. I can always help with your team members to guide here and there. Leader Annalyn says, thanks so much for this presentation, my sister. You are welcome. And thank you so much, friends, for attending. I may not have another chance to talk to you until next year, because this festive season, we have to travel, we have to celebrate, it is family time. Thank you so much, Idon. I've seen another person, Ate, Abel, Carl, Angel, Leader Annalyn, Beth, Catherine, Charlie, who else? Galaxy, Henry, Jan, Ibrahim, JB, Charles, Naboth, Uganda, Barbara, Opos, Quantico, Redmi, Samuel, Sarah Ateng, Sophie Kawes, Suresh, and Wilson Mugasha. Thank you so much for attending. Let's meet again next time. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.